In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 2 or more indicators to one tab on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to enhance your charts with multiple indicators, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once the platform is up and running, your next step is to open the chart for the specific currency pair or asset that you're interested in analyzing. This could be anything from forex pairs to commodities, or even indices, depending on what you're trading. Now that you have your chart open, locate the Navigator panel. This is usually found on the left-hand side of the interface. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click on View in the top menu and select Navigator to make it visible. This panel is your gateway to accessing various tools, one of which is the Indicators section. With the Navigator panel in view, look for the Indicators section. You'll see a list of categories like trends, oscillators, and volumes, to name a few. This is where you select the first indicator you'd like to apply to your chart. For instance, if you're interested in tracking moving averages, you'd open the Trends folder, while something like the Relative Strength Index would be found under Oscillators. Once you've chosen your first indicator, simply drag and drop it onto your open chart. This will bring up a settings window, allowing you to customize the parameters of your indicator. You can adjust options like period, color, and style according to your specific needs or preferences. After you've set your desired parameters, click OK to apply the changes. To add more indicators to the same chart window, you simply repeat the process. Go back to the Navigator panel. Select another indicator from the Indicators section and drag it onto your chart. Remember, each indicator will have its own settings window, just like the first one you added. Take your time to tweak each indicator as needed and confirm by clicking OK. By following these steps, you can layer multiple indicators on a single chart, which allows you to conduct more comprehensive technical analyses. Each indicator can display unique insights and patterns that are crucial for making informed trading decisions. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add 2 or more indicators to one tab in MetaTrader 5, enhancing your trading strategy and helping you make more informed investment decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.